Good evening, people. Happy New Year. It's 6:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Wednesday, January 1st, 2020, first day of the new year. Okay, let's take a look at Litecoin. Okay, let's see where the market makers trades are at. 41.60 and 41. So this will go no higher than $41.30. Usually where he keeps his sell wall, it'll be spotted to 30 cents below the sell wall. If you guys have been following me. Also, there's another little trick you could do. Is when you find the trades, right? You find the market maker's trades. You want to see where his intent is to bring the price. All you do is add them together, right? And just divide it by 2. You average them out. See, $41.30. So that's where his trades are placed now. That's as far as he'll let the price go up. Like I told you, this market is manipulated. How can we prove it's manipulated? Those are the market makers' trades I identified. How do I know that? I did an investigation with the New York Department of Financial Services. They're the ones who found out those two trades of the same market size belong to the market maker. He's driving it down. He's driving it down further. Let's see where his price is on top. 41.49. It was 41.60 before, remember? You see it there? 41.60. He brought his trade down to 41.49, and look what happened. You just watched him do it. But the interesting part about this, let's see where the buy is. Still at $41. You see, his buy is still at 41. The market maker moved the top trade without moving the bottom trade. Both of them are supposed to be equidistant and move at the same time. That proves that this exchange market maker is a fraud and he's a thief. Both of these trades are supposed to be 40 cents or whatever they're away. They're both supposed to be equidistant, which means the buy is supposed to be 30 cents away. The sell is supposed to be 30 cents away. If either one of them changes, the other one has to change. In this case, you just watch one change and the other didn't do a damn thing. And then you see the red bar increase. After he brought the sell closer to the mid-market price, he used the sell to assert pressure, and the price went down. This was originally 41.60, which kept the price stable at 41. Now we'll do the averages again, just to show you again. 41 spot 49 plus. Stanwood Spartans discovered this. This is just another way of 4092. Now you'll notice the bottom one went down too. He just did it. $41.20. And we just hit what? $41.20, around there, you see? It's a sick little game. The market maker's manipulating the market. His trades are in equidistance. We'll go in and check that. Okay, you can see the trades are in equidistance, and you can see that we're averaging out the trades where they're at, and it's coming up to the mid-market price. It's easy to see that this market is being manipulated by the market maker. Now we're going to do the other formulas. Let's clear this. 41.49. It's 24 cents away. He has intention of bringing this down more. These guys are criminals. Criminals. 40.92. You see the difference? That's almost a 10-cent difference. But we're going to see. You got a 25% difference. Almost a 25%. A little more than 20, a 27% difference between the equidistance of these two trades. And we just went over the average. We just showed you how he moved it, and he changed the price right in front of your face today. So now this is going to go up on YouTube, and I'm sending this out to Brian Armstrong. Remember, we calculated the price. He probably moved it again. These guys are criminals. This market maker has a criminal intent with the support of the exchange, which in full knowledge of the exchange, to rob their investors' money. They're criminals. There's no ifs, ands, and buts about it. Okay? The only buts they're going to be seeing is their own getting torn up when they end up in prison. Now, I don't know what else I have to tell you guys about this. Anybody who breathes Litecoin out of their mouth, smack them in the head. They got to be dumb. They're stupid. I don't care how good they're out going. And look at this EMA and that EMA. Oh, we're above that. We're below it. And in the past, it did this and that, and it's going to do that. I'm predicting this. I'm predicting that. You cannot predict a manipulated market. Okay? You shouldn't be predicting a manipulated market. You should have caught on already that it's manipulated. Or your technical analysis isn't worth crap. It shows you have the perspective of a flatworm. I only use the stuff they put in front of me because I'm a good slave. I don't think on my own. I'm a good slave. My master tells me it's this, it's that. That's it. Don't question master. Don't look behind him. Don't look behind and see that he's pulling a stunt on you or a trick to get your money. Don't look. Don't look. Be a dumb slave. Give him your money. Just here, I'm going to invest in Litecoin. It's red now. But wait, I'm going to wait until I get a 4-hour confirmation on the uptrend. Then I'm going to put my money in, and then the market maker is going to look, because he's working with Coinbase. He's going to see how many people got stop losses in, and then they're going to they'll take the 5 to 10%. You'll take the 5 to 10% loss. They'll take the 5 to 10% gain. Where do you think the money is that they're making is coming from? It's coming out of your pocket. I don't know what I have to tell you, young people, man. You better learn how to read an order book. You're getting robbed. And you don't hear that fake-ass Hank Paulson running this exchange. You don't hear an answer from him. I'm tweeting him every day. Why don't you explain this? Why don't you look into this? Well, you don't hear nothing. Nothing. And I'll say it again, Brian Armstrong, Charlie Lee, and this market maker, you're engaged in a crime. You're running a criminal enterprise. This is not an exchange. This is a scam. Okay, this is a money pit, a boiler room. All right, people, that's what you're gonna hear from me, man. I wish he would stop manipulating. I wish he would let it go up. I used to like Litecoin. I made quite a bit of cash from it. But that's been all pretty much taken over by this den of vipers you got here. Charlie Lee sold us out. I'm out.